Hey guys, this is probably going to be one of the quickest videos I will ever do, but I'm getting ready to head out and I've got a couple weeks off work, so I'm going to paint the Camaro. I know you guys have been waiting to see some more paint work, and we're going to get on it. So 2001 Camaro, I'm going to open it up to you guys. I would like some suggestions. I'm 90% sure which route I'm gonna go, but I do want to ask you guys what you guys think, because you know, sometimes I can get into a kind of a rut with different colors and combinations and stuff. So this is it. 2001 Camaro. I'm gonna put racing stripes on it, so it'll be the SS stripes, RS stripes, whatever. So a couple colors. Give me some combinations down in the comments. Please like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And yeah, I'm planning on painting this thing this week, so should be fun. So let me know what you think. See ya.